This is Winter Camping Workshop number 3, the last one.
Number 3.
It's over with, and it's a beautiful day actually. Nice. They're doing the noodle boil again, and we have Margaret here. She's having such a wonderful time. her hubby here forced her to go out into the wilderness. And then we have Steve here, and they brought a whole bunch of their own gear, so much that, in fact, more than Mr. Baxter could ever imagine bringing out. And yes, they brought their own stove. Now, what stove is this?
This is a gasifier stove from Amazon. Same time I bought your book, I bought this.
Oh, that's lovely. And notice he's already learning from winter skills. He's kneeling on something in the snow so he doesn't get wet.
Somebody told me about that.
I don't know.
Good hints and tips here and there.
I noticed your partner in crime here is doing all the work.
Well,
While
you've got to arrange the...
He's the technology guy, I'm just the guy to do the other.
I'm going to go over and show their deal here. So now this, Steve, is this your outfit?
Yep.
Brand new. Got the whole strap system down. Now this is Wynn's system right here. He stole a wooden toboggan off some kid on the street, and he's got 2 barrels. Which is the better system?
Mine's faster.
Oh, someone's got the fire going already. Now Jen over here, she stayed last night. She's a keener. And what did she do for entertainment? She made snowshoes out of willow. This is the winner of the Anorak during the Wilderness Winter Symposium.
The Winter Camping Symposium?
Something like that?
Oh, thanks.
How did you win that?
You pulled my name out of a bucket.
Oh, I keep forgetting that. Sorry for your name. Jen, what are you doing? What's happening?
I'm just scraping the birch bark. We lost our pile, so I'm just making a new one.
I thought I smelled fire going. Did you have it going at first?
Somebody, I think, started theirs up. Maybe
Well, there is a wood stove about 5 meters from here.
Oh,
And you got that on video.
I'm a professional. But you're using the spaghetti noodles to get it going?
They're carbohydrates, so it would burn.
I like it. Yeah, creativity. I use my friend's Fritos as fire starter.
Fritos are great.
I almost bought a bag of Cheetos to bring to use. Yeah.
What's happening? What's going on?
Fire?
Oh, you're using the hobo stove, are you?
Apparently, is that what it's
That's what
called?
it's called, yeah. Kelly Kettle's hobo stove.
Excellent.
Yeah.
The hobo stove. Thanks.
Well, we got fire over here.
Hey,
Heyo. Fire. Oh.
that's okay.
It's a lot of fun. We got a good fire going in this one. Oh, the noodle's already in.
It fell in. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Oh, look at that.
Okay. Noodle-less.
I said pardon. How's the hobo stove going?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah, we keep... There we go.
Margaret, what's going on?
I'm just stealing another noodle. Is that okay?
What happened to your other noodle?
It's sort of...
Oh, premature noodle tire. Is it? Yeah. How's your new stove going?
It's going really well. It's actually gasifying, so that's...
What?
It's
what?
gasifying.
What's that?
So it reburns the wood smoke as a secondary combustion. So it actually increases the efficiency of the stove.
Well, that's cool. What's that called again?
It's a gasifier wood stove. So you see it's coming out of the coals at the top side.
That's nifty. So the ultimate question between you two guys, though, like you've gone camping together, right?
Yeah.
And who does most of the work?
It's an even split.
We're pretty amicable with the split. That's,
Should I ask you separate when?
of course. And we all know it's me.
But I bring the scotch, so that's the important part.
No, it feels a little stiff.
Don's the first attempt.
There's a noodle.
Oh, it's not really not yet. Yeah, we got a winner!
We got a winner!
Don and Margaret have now tied a knot in their noodle. Now look what these people are doing. They've got like 10,000 noodles in their pot.
We're hungry. We're cooking lunch for everybody.
What seemed to happen here?
The water was down there.
Was there an issue?
No. It broke. We tried to tie it in a knot. No bueno.
It was premature.
It was premature. You can't rush these things.
We have another half noodle in the pot.
It's extremely al
Yeah.
dente.
Oh, see, this looks okay, but...
Aggressively al dente. Hi, YouTube.
Okay, I actually really didn't see them do this, so it might have been a fake noodle tie.
I
I'm
had
not
it in my
sure.
pocket the whole time.
So, now that's not as a tight knot. As
No?
the-
All right, here
yeah,
we go.
yeah.
We'll tighten it up. We'll tighten it
Margaret,
up.
what do you think?
I got full.
Oh,
I got full.
all right.
Oh!
Oh!
That was a knot.
Oh no, I don't think so.
Get rid of the evidence. Get rid of the evidence.
I don't think
It
so.
exists in my mind.
Oh, the third knot tire.
There we go. Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's froze.
All right, so who else we got? We have the firebox and what's the other stick stove?
What's that one?
Yeah.
Emberlight.
Emberlight. And how's your noodles?
We're close. We tried one knot and it just broke right at the end. We're almost there though.
Mine was really good, and then my fire went out.
What was that?
That's an official knotted
Oh,
noodle.
they said mine was like that. It said it wasn't tight enough.
Oh, there we go. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you got 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
That's great.
Let's tie a bunch of them together. We can use them.
The first workshop we did, it was a lot colder. It was like minus 28. And we couldn't tie them in a knot because it would freeze before the knot formed. Yeah. How does out winter camping? Oh, my noodle is frozen. Steve and Wynn, they brought their own tent to try. They put this together. Everybody's standing around watching. They've got a huge crowd forming.
I'm here for
No stress at all, Steve. But if you don't put it up right, we're not watching. It's all right.
That's so cool.
What is this, Steve?
This is a ice fishing hut that can be used in winter camping, hopefully.
Wow. What do you mean? Hopefully, you haven't tried this out yet.
No.
This is what you used a workshop to see. Oh my lord! Wow.
So, where's the third bedroom?
You have to dig down for it.
How many bathrooms?
And what was the price of this?
$600 on sale.
$600 on sale. Where?
So
So
is that all canvas or canvas?
what is that material? Yeah. And are you actually going to put a stove in it with a pipe?
Yeah, Steve has a section made to go out one of the windows that actually will take the
Yeah.
stove pipe and the whole bit.
Oh, cool!
That's so cool.
Wow. Now where do you put the pipe?
Through one of the windows.
Oh, just right through the window.
Yeah.
And you don't worry about the pipe burning the tent down?
I've got a silicone piece that actually.
Oh, go around it.
Yeah. And it's all been. The material has been.
Oh, you just
put it out the
window.
Wow.
Holy.
It's very exciting. It's a great group. A lot of them brought their own tents, their own gear, own sleds. And yeah, so these guys made this on their own. Well, they bought this ice fishing shelter for $600 on sale. He's using one of the windows to put the stovepipe through, but he made an asbestos ring around it so it won't
This
burn.
is the stove side. Hence the whole.
As long as it's vented, I'm more worried about that. As long as it's vented so you don't have any carbon monoxide issues. We'll see. But I think if they open the door a little bit tonight, that should be fine. We'll see. So what's that, Steve?
Stove jack. It'll go on the inside, and the stove pipe goes through there.
This has never been tried.
Rain or melt will go around, hopefully. It's just it's in here.
Okay. And I noticed that this is where you put the stove because you said
Stove, yes.
stove right there. Yeah.
Thanks, Kevin.
Okay, I might have been wrong on the material of that stovepipe thing, so I'm going to ask Steve. Steve, what is that material you're using?
This is welder's sheet, and then with the stove silicone impregnated into it.
Oh, okay. That, no.
Paste that on?
Yeah, he just kept pasting it on, layering it on.